Okay, now in the second part of the video we're going to show how that the unit opens up. Again, this would be slid into the Bard unit. This particular model with some minor modifications could be adapted to fit into a return plenum box and or fit into the ductwork near the air handler unit. But we're going to open up the two halves of this and show how the filter media is removed and replaced. So we got the two clips. There's two on each side. The other side right now is already done. And then the screen side lifts off. You can see the rollers on here also. I'm going to, for convenience, just back up the roller or the filter media onto one side. There's a couple of support rollers in here that keep the filter close to the side to reduce air getting past the filter. So we're roll this up, take that on out. And here's the couple rollers that are involved with that. But here's the two halves. This is the one that has the stationary part. Airflow comes from this side. This is the half that's downstream. But at the end of the year, this unit would be taken out of the air handler and opened up. The old filter removed, and then the new filter would go in. Assembly would be slightly different, but since this filter is short, I'm just doing it the way that's most convenient. It slides over, fits into the bushings on each side, and then these rollers are slid back into place. We can advance a little bit onto the take-up shaft, so that when the unit goes on top and it needs some extra material, it can feed from the two sides. So that's as simple as it is to install. And now we have to put the other half back into place. This side tracks fairly well, drops down on top. Latched. Latch the other side, and then for demonstration purposes we'll stand this up like that, and just show how the filter material gets pulled through the unit. There'll be a motor and a controller on this, and that whole controller can communicate with the gateway through the G meter and the GreenNet website, and it can be monitored. You can know how much filter you have left, how often it needs to advance because it's dirty, and a very nice automated system. And that's basically it for this demonstration, and that's it. Once we get the motor in, the new filter material, and the controller, there'll be a follow-up video to show the whole thing working automatically on its own. But for today, you can see how the housing and the assembly works, and thank you for your time.